Google just leaked Material 3 Expressive before I/O 2025, and it's a game changer for Android. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's dive into this bold new design. Sleeker, cooler, and more usable. Material 3 Expressive is set to make Android shine. Want to know why it's stealing the spotlight? Stick around. Google dropped a blog post caught by the Wayback Machine and other sources revealing Material 3 Expressive, the next evolution of its open-source design system for Android. Set to debut at I/O 2025, it's called a bold new direction. This update amps up color, shape, size, motion, and containment to make key actions pop and group similar elements. The result? A UI that's intuitive, modern, and energetic, making Android apps feel fresh and user-friendly. Material 3 Expressive isn't just pretty, it's practical. Google's research shows it boosts usability by highlighting what matters in the UI, like bigger tap targets and sharper color contrast. Products using it saw a 32% jump in cool subculture vibes and 34% in modernity. Compared to iOS's human interface guidelines, users of all ages preferred this expressive design for its clean, forward-thinking look. It's Android's answer to standing out. This design could redefine Android's identity, making apps feel more cohesive and premium. From Google's own apps to third-party developers, Material 3 Expressive promises a consistent, vibrant experience. But there's a catch: familiarity. Users used to older Android designs or iOS might need time to adjust. Still, Google's betting on enhanced preference and usability to win them over, giving Android a cool edge in 2025. Material 3 Expressive is poised to make Android feel next level, but will it convert iOS fans or confuse longtime Android users? What's your take? Hype for this design or sticking with what you know? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let us know what you want from I/O 2025. That's the scoop on Google's Material 3 Expressive leak. If you're excited for Android's glow up, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech reveals.